Hi friends! The ISBLANK function tests if a specified cell is blank, and if so, returns true. Otherwise, the function returns false. Let's see how the ISBLANK function can be used in Microsoft Excel. Open the desired Excel worksheet. For demo purpose, here we are using a worksheet according to the ISBLANK function. The ISBLANK function syntax has the following arguments. Value, that is the value that you want to be tested. Value can be a blank or empty cell, error, logical expression, text, number, reference value, or a name referring to any of these that you want to test. We are also showing you the description of each function we're going to use here. To find whether the cell is blank or not, select the cell where you want to get the function's result. Type equals ISBLANK, open parentheses, select the cell you want to check, close parentheses, and then press the Enter key. If it returns false, then it means that the cell is not blank, and if it returns true, then it means that the cell is blank. In the same way, you can check other cells also. If it shows false, then it means the cell is not blank, and if it shows true, then it means the cell is blank. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.